Vlogmas day 2, and I'm still suffering from my migraine, so I just made myself like some dry cereal for a snack because I don't like milk, fun fact. And stayed in the bed with Cupcake Chanel for the first part of the morning, watching our favorite Korean dramas. Right now we're rewatching for the like thousandth time Daejin Gum. So he is keeping me company while I'm not feeling too well. I have a few meetings later on in the day, but for right now in the morning, I'm just trying to take it easy and let this migraine do what it does so that it can go away. I got a package in the mail that I've been waiting for, so that's fun. I got this recommendation from Marshawn Evans Daniels, and it is a liquid collagen by Modir. Hopefully, I am pronouncing that correctly, but yep. So I'm excited to start this, and I will likely start this in the morning on day 3, and so I'll let you guys know what I think of it when I do. But you're supposed to take 1 tablespoon twice daily. So I'll take it in the morning and then 1 at night. Very excited to see how this works because based on her recommendation and her skin looks great, I'm hoping that this can help me and with mine. So I had my meetings and I'm finishing up the day with the Believe Bigger devotional that I've been working through by Marshawn Evans Daniels.